Hi, welcome back to another episode of the Takeover with Smaya. And if you're someone who is interested in attending tech events, thinking about how you can get to know about these events, how you can get to attend them, then this is the right video for you. I'll be giving you tips on why you should attend tech events. One thing you have to know is that you don't have to be a programmer, a hacker to attend tech events. You can attend tech events as long as you're passionate about tech and you're just interested in knowing more about tech. There are a lot of tech events happening across the globe that you can take part in, and you just have to look around your connections and see which events you can go for. One main reason as to why you should attend tech events is you will get to network, you'll get to meet new friends, and you'll get to meet very many people who can inspire you, help you in one way or another. The beauty about attending these tech events is that you get to meet people who are in the same field with you but are doing very many different things. Now, for example, I attended a day fest into tech vlogging, tech communities, but I got to meet several people who are into back-end development, graphic designing, deep programming, and it was a wonderful moment for me. So in case you haven't attended any tech event, then look out for them, attend them, and please remember to share whatever you get from those events. The other reason as to why you should attend tech events is that you'll be able to explore very many things. Now, for example, let's talk about certain workshop. Remember, these workshops are not always related to maybe one technological field, let's say programming. They're always about very many things, but all under tech. So you'll be able to acquire skills on a certain technology, acquire soft skills maybe in tech, acquire very many necessary skills that you may need on your technical career. So if you know about any event, workshop, or even a hackathon, then you can go for it. There is always a lot to learn in each and every tech. The other interesting thing about attending tech events is you get free food, free t-shirts, free stickers, those very little interesting things but very memorable. For example, I have very many t-shirts from tech events, and each time I look at them, then I'm inspired to attend more events so I can be able to get more t-shirts. So if you're someone like me, then look out for a tech event around you and go for it. Among other free things that come with tech events are prizes. Now, for tech events such as hackathons, where people are building projects to solve certain problems, there are always prizes in form of money. And if you do the best project and maybe it has the best of the things that they need, then you'll be able to win this money. And who doesn't want free money? This is not exactly free money, it's money that you've worked for, but it's really something good for you to earn money from a tech event. So if you're looking for motivation to go for a tech event, then let money be your motivation. One thing I would like you to know or note down and keep on your mind is that there are a lot of things that come along with attending tech events. There is teamwork, there is networking, there is collaboration. For events like hackathons, you'll be able to work on a project maybe with a team of 4 or 5 people, and through that teamwork, then you'll be able to learn more things from one another. Now, still on the hackathon, you will be able to build and work on a project with a team, then it can as well appear on your CV, and this will be something big for your next employer. They can actually employ by just seeing that the project that you worked on as a team from a hackathon. So please look out for those tech events. Remember to let me know in case you're attending any tech event, and in case you've already attended one, then feel free to share your feedback in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. And you have to know that all my videos are shot by Top Notch Media. You can reach out to them in case you need all kinds of video shoots. Till the next episode.